Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my journey from dropper to rank. So last year 2024 I gave just CUET PG Zoology and Life Sciences. It was my first competitive exam. I didn't know how to approach with minimal, I would say zero preparation. I gave my attempt. My concepts were clear and I became a little bit of overconfident that I would clear these exams with decent marks. But life hit me hard and I could not get into DU or PHU in zoology. My score last year were 164 in life sciences and 103 in zoology. Because DU was taking admission last year from CUET PG Life Sciences, its cutoff was 174 and I scored 164. I missed the DU cutoff by 10 marks. Marking was very much. अगर मेरी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती ना तो मुझको DU मिल भी जाता. Without negative marking, I scored 180 in life sciences, which was a decent score for clearing DU first cutoff for MSc zoology. But मेरी नेगेटिव मार्किंग हो के और मेरे 164 मार्क्स चले गए. I could not get into DU. Now I was very sure I wanted only DU or PHU. Except these, I was getting admitted into all universities, but I wanted these. So I decided to take a drop then. Now the journey begins. On 11th July, I was very sure that I will not be taking admission anywhere and this will be my first drop in my academic journey. Now I started seeing the syllabus of all other exams. I decided that I will give all exams this time, IIT JAM, GATE and all these GATE, CUET, AIMS, these all exams I will appear for. But now first thing which came in my mind was what shall I do for 1 year now, because 1 year loss is a bigger. So I decided to join under one of our college professor in our research internship. We worked there for almost 6 months because I was going my daily routine during these months. 6 months was waking up, then going to college, performing my whatever work I had there and then come back in evening. So due to which I wasn't getting much time to prepare and just read 10 pages of Pathfinder. Sometimes I was very tired, so I would not do that also. 10-20 pages was maximum I could do and it was not a much serious preparation. In November my research work was completed. In November I had multiple works, so due to which my most of the time was consumed in that and I could not prepare efficiently for that. So my preparation started in December. All college work was done, my research work was almost completed and my other works which were there in November, I did that. Now I had to sit for 8 months at home and that was the biggest thing which I realized, that for 8 months how will I sit, and there were many questions that why I didn't study at that time. I could have get into DU and all these things, failure का regret मुझे होने लगा. But now I could not just sit and cry for this failure, because this would ultimately lead to another failure which I would not think even in my dreams. So I decided to prepare again for exam seriously this time. Till October I was sure that I will appear for GATE B exam. That was my primary exam. So after that I started. One thing I found was that there is much less time left for preparing for IIT JAM, because it was less time according to self-study preparation. It was much less time. It was very difficult for me to cover physics, chemistry, maths तो मेरा बहुत बेकार था. फिज़िक्स वॉज समथिंग जो मैं भूल गई थी, बिल्कुल ही भूल गई थी. मेरा टच 12th के बाद ख़त्म ही हो गया था, तो वो रिटेंशन वाली प्रॉब्लम आती, वो चीज़ों को सीखने में, कॉन्सेप्ट को सीखने में मुझे प्रॉब्लम आती एंड वो मैं टाइम वेस्ट कर देती थी अपना. इसीलिए आई डिड अ स्ट्रेटेजिक मूव दैट आई विल नॉट प्रिपेयर सीरियसली फॉर IIT JAM बट फॉर अदर एग्ज़ाम्स लाइक गेट हो गया, फिर कैट बी है, इन सब के लिए मैं प्रिपेयर करूँगी. सो आई स्टार्टेड to prepare. I ordered IFS 2 PYQ book or 1 for GATE Excel and 1 for GATE B. My daily routine looked like I would wake up, then I would pick up one subject from Pathfinder, say biochemistry. Then after lunch I would solve PYQs from GATE Excel because GATE Excel was approaching and IIT JAM was approaching. So I decided to solve PYQs of those exams. PYQs for IIT JAM PYQs I refer to Bansal Biology यूट्यूब चैनल. वहाँ पे अवंतिका मैम बहुत ही अच्छे से करवाती हैं, सब PYQs करवाती है, वो सब्जेक्ट वाइज करवाती है. तो जैसे लाइक आई वांटेड कि मैं अभी बायोकेमिस्ट्री पढ़ रही हूँ तो बायोकेमिस्ट्री पढ़ के आई वुड गो टू हर वीडियो एंड आई वुड सोल्व PYQs फ्रॉम देयर. और जो भी मुझे नई चीज़ लगती वो मैं अपनी पाथफाइंडर की बुक में से नोट कर लेती. मैं 1-1.5 घंटे PYQ सोल्व करती थी. देन आई पिक्ड अप अनदर सब्जेक्ट. In the evening time I would study from Pathfinder, then I would solve PYQs from that, and this way मेरा रोज़ का रोज़ डेली रूटीन चलता रहता था. देन IIT JAM आता है, उसके लिए मैंने ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था. इटली ने पढ़ा किया एंड आई कुड गेट अ गुड रैंक, गुड रिजल्ट इन द एंड. सो दैट्स माई जर्नी. वन थिंग आई लर्न फ्रॉम दिस वॉज कि वी शुड नेवर थिंक कि फेल्योर हो गया. अगर मेरा लास्ट ईयर हो जाता, नाउ आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मेरा ड्यू में नहीं हुआ था लास्ट ईयर, जूलॉजी में नहीं हुआ था, बिकॉज देन आई वुड नॉट हैव नोन माई पोटेंशियल, माई ट्रू पोटेंशियल दैट आई कुड गेट दिस रैंक. सो दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू एवरीवन.